Yeah, 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 man. Don't know. Back in the kitchen. It's Sunday. Yeah, man. So cooking Sunday dinner, you know. Yeah, man. So it's like the flex Jamaican cuisine style of curry fish. All right. So let's check it out. A lot of vegetable in combination with the fish. So yeah, man. This is the fish that I'm very nice tender fish, you know. It's really good. Called Pacific whitening fish. Check this out. And please remember, guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, you know, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Just continue, guys, to like, share, and subscribe, or drop a comment. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself every time. So today it's Sunday, so I'm cooking rice and peas and curry fish. That's a Pacific whitening fish, alright? Yeah. That is it, you know. Rinse this off. Alright, guys, so first add some vinegar. I'm gonna wash the fish with, alright, and then rinse it off with fresh water. So at first I just use the raw vinegar and wash the fish first, alright, and then I rinse it off with fresh water, you know what I mean? Check, check, check. Guys, so fish is washed. Yeah, so now I'm gonna cut them in slices, you know, like a 2-inch wideness cut. Alright, yeah, man. Alright, guys, so here you go. I have the fish washed clean and properly. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply my powder seasoning to my fish and have it marinate. Alright, that is it. So first, guys, I have some Old Bay seasoning. Yeah, you know I love to use my Old Bay, right? So we try to make sure the fish is seasoned properly, you know. And for me, guys, the Old Bay seasoning is really good, you know what I mean? I want to say I have some Creole seasoning, one of America's favorite, you know. It's not my favorite, but I like it, you know. It's something that I can work with, you know. So once you say Creole, you know, it's real authentic, you know. Nice quality as well. I have some of my favorite seasoning coming up next week from Jamaica. Yeah, man. So in the meantime, just have to use your hand make fashion, as a grandma say, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. But I'm doing great, so well, so far so good. Yeah. is it, guys. Fish is seasoned, yeah, properly, you know. So I'm gonna leave this for about 10 minutes while I prep my vegetables and get my rice and peas going. Alright, yeah, man. So just stay tuned, guys. Big up on yourself. You know it's Sunday, yeah. Yeah, man. A very special day in the kitchen cooking, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. Alright, guys. I just came back from outside with some fresh thyme. Yeah, man. That is it. Good for the rice and peas and good for the curry fish as well. Yeah, man. Scallion. Always important, guys, to wash your garden seasoning or vegetables before using them. Alright. You know everything is washed, but still I'm gonna make sure I double wash them. Have some mushroom. Yeah, man. So here I start prepare my garden seasoning. All right. So let me know, guys, if you have anything in the comment section. Any ideas as well. Yeah. So getting that thyme and onion flavor in it with the scallion. I cut up like a small portion, real fine, mince it, yeah, and I'm gonna have that marinate with the garlic as well, you know. So that's the first thing I'm gonna apply to my oil and curry in the pot. Yeah, this is it's not a secret anymore, you know, but it's a special touch, yeah? You know what I mean? Yeah. There you go. Another piece of habanero hot pepper. Also cutting up that real fine as well. And that is it. So as I have that prepared, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pot heated. That is it. So catch it pre now. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare my garlic for the oil. Cause you know we burn the curry in the oil with the garlic, you know what I mean? So preparing the garlic, guys, just mash them like this, not too hard. You know, loosen up the shell and the garlic or the skin, the outer part of the garlic, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So when you smash them like that, guys, loosen them and you can remove that shell husks or skin off the garlic easily. You know what I mean? See that? Very easy, you know. guys, so I have my garlic here ready. The pot is ready. So the pot is heated, so I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. Alright. So you know it's curry fish, guys. So the first step after preparing your fish, have it seasoned, marinate, then you're gonna add some oil, you know what I mean? Yeah man, the pot is very hot, so you know the oil will cool it down as well. Won't take too long, you know what I mean? Yeah man, that is it guys. So check this. As I said, the pot is hot, the oil is hot now, hot and ready. So I'm just gonna turn this down a little bit. You don't want to burn it too much, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so here I have my garlic guys. Yeah. So I'm cutting up my garlic. Alright. And then I apply the garlic to the hot oil. Yeah man, and after the garlic starts turning colors guys, I'm gonna add my turmeric powder. It's my curry powder, alright? This is real turmeric, you know. Here I have my curry garlic burning in the oil. And when I say burn, guy, I don't mean you burn it black, you know what I mean? Golden brown is good enough, you know. Yeah, man. You know, Mr. Clean, you know. Alright, so as you can see guys, golden brown, you know what I mean? And so I'm gonna go ahead and add, remember I was chopping up the thyme, the garlic, onion, scallion, habanero, hot pepper, yeah man, all of that guys. So that's the second step, you know what I mean? Wow, and smell that guys, see that curry flavor, yeah man. That is it, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna go ahead guys, and I'm gonna add my fish. Alright, so I don't just pour them in, I place them properly, and they're not the side with the skin, but the fleshy part, you know what I mean? This part guys. So you place it down in the oil with your turmeric and garlic, yeah, scallion, onion, thyme, lots of garlic guys, yeah man. So trust me, this is gonna come out really nice, very flavorful, you know. So this is Flex Jamaican cuisine curry fish. Yeah. Yeah man, you just place them properly in the pot, you know what I mean? Yeah. That is it guys. Wow, that smells really good guys. You see all these juice with the seasoning, I just gently pour it all over the fish as well, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna start adding garden seasoning stage by stage, you know what I mean? So I have my chopped onion, yeah. add some carrot as well, guys. So this is my way of preparing carrot, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. A lot of people, they peel the carrot, you know. But more nutrients, nutrients. Oh man, I'm here speaking Spanish, guys. But anyway, the more nutrients contained in the skin of the carrot, you know, and most vegetables as well. Yeah, man. That's where most of the nutrients lies, you know, in the skin. So the reason why I do it this way, guys, in the meantime, the fish is placed in the pot and the tender side, not the side with the skin, not the outer side, the inner part of the fish is placed down with the oil, scallion, the onion and the garlic with the turmeric in the oil, you know what I mean? So gently it lose all of that the rawness of the fish. Yeah, you know, fish is a very raw thing, you know what I mean? So once you prepare it proper, guy, you won't have that issue, you know what I mean? So this is my way of cooking it. Alright, so have some fresh thyme. Mince that up really fine. Some scallion. Yeah. So I'm gonna add all of this now, guys. Place it into my fish. Yeah. Alright, so now cucumber. Cucumber, guys, when it comes to curry, cucumber gives your curry a unique flavor, you know what I mean? A very unique flavor, you know? It's like a one of a kind flavor, you know? Yeah, man. So it doesn't matter any type of curry you're cooking, cucumber is good to go with it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so I have the cucumber now. Place the cucumber. Yeah, man. Can smell that, guys. Yeah. Have my mushroom. Yeah, man. So just add in my vegetable, guys, as I go. So I'm gonna add some sweet corn as well. Okay, guys, so this is coming out good. So it's steaming up very properly, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead now and make a couple of flips, like to try to get the corns and the carrot and stuff in the bottom and the fish on top, you know. Yeah, man. It's a very, I wouldn't say complicated, but this one takes patience and time, guys. That is it, you know. Try to get the corn with the juice in them, you know. Place the fish on the side. You know, you never can be too perfect, guys. One or two or a few will get smashed, you know, but it's a lot of fish, so it's not an issue, you know. And that is it, guys. So you don't stir it, you know what I mean? That is it. Everything is going great, guys. Trust me. The key is to get the corn in the bottom of the pot, you know what I mean? Soak up all that juice. Yeah. It's coming on really good, guys. No complaint. Yeah, man, everything is coming on really good. You can smell it. Alright, guys, I'm giving you a sneak closer look. Trust me, it's coming out really good, guys. Curry fish. Oh. Alright, guys. Making the final check. This is supposed to be ready. Now we'll see what's going on, guys. So I'm gonna give it a little taste, guys. Making sure taste is right, you know what I mean? Have to confirm it. There you go. So I'm gonna turn the stove off. Yeah. I know I'm gonna get the rice and peas going, you know what I mean? So just stay tuned, guys. Big up on yourself. Remember, it's Sunday dinner. I and I man cooking. Alright, guys, so the pot, yeah, that's the pot with coconut milk, seasoned with scallion, thyme, garlic, and hot pepper. Yeah, man, good Scotch bonnet hot pepper, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, peas is cooked, guys. Ready, so, yeah, man, that is it, you know? So, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rice ready, you know? Yeah, man, that is it. So here, guys, of my rice. So I'm gonna wash it properly. So guys, washing the rice like 3 to 4 times, rinsing it, you know. so rice is clean. I'm gonna add the rice to the pot. Right. Alright guys. So I'm gonna give it a stir, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man, you don't know. Rice and peas coming along really good. Yeah man, that is it guys. I want to just big up on yourself guys. Yeah man, and just stay tuned. So the fish is cooked and ready. Yeah man, that is it, you know. Rice and peas going. So I'm about to start making some salad, some fresh garden salad. Don't know. Yeah man. Stay tuned guys, big up on yourself. Yeah man, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, that is it. So it's another Sunday dinner special. Yeah. Yeah man, so I'm here cooking and having some ice cream. Yeah man. Now it's Sunday, you know. Very special day of the week. I mean, every day is special still once you have life, you know what I mean? Life is the greatest, but you don't know Sunday. Yeah man, that's what's up. Alright guys, so here I have my lettuce cut up in chunks. You know what I mean? Not too fine. I already washed it. Yeah. So here I have my carrot and my grater where I'm gonna shred the carrot, alright? And out of curiosity guys, I just let you know the carrot all washed, everything is washed clean and prepared, you know what I mean? I don't want you to think that I just take the carrot and clean it up and wash it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna add my carrot to the lettuce. That's it. Now I'm gonna add my cucumber. So you know the old school style guys, we split it down, take off the skin, you know, and just paste it around. And now I'm gonna use my fork and I'm gonna make lines with the fork teeth. Make some straight line guys. That is it, you know what I mean? And now I'm gonna slice my cucumber. Remember that style? That is it, you know. Add my cucumber to my carrot and lettuce, and these are the strips that I cut from the cucumber, 3 strips straight down. So nothing now waste, nothing now dash away, guys. So I'm gonna cut these up in fine strips and add it to the salad, you know what I mean? As I said before, guys, and I would always say the skin of the vegetable, guys, is vegetables and fruits, etc. The skin carries the most nutrients, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So add that to my salad. I have my tomato. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the inside of the tomato with the seeds. Yeah. And then I'm gonna cut them in small strips. Add it to my salad, guys. Same procedure for the next half of tomato. Add it to my salad, guys. And I'm gonna get an orange, fresh orange. Make sure I wash this properly. Alright. And cut it in half. You don't have to peel it, guys, just to get that lime flavor just a little. Yeah. And I'm gonna squeeze the juice on my salad. Alright, apply the orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice to the salad, alright? Yeah, man. And guys, I'm gonna get some honey. Alright. And that is it, guys. And then we're gonna combine this and mix it in together. I'm gonna add a little extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. And then you mix. Alright, guys. So if you don't have any honey at home, guys, you can use a little brown sugar. Alright, so what you do, you squeeze the orange in a cup, and then you add like a half a teaspoon to a regular medium size portion, and you mix the brown sugar with the orange juice, mix out all the grains properly, and then you can pour it if you don't have the honey at home. Alright, yeah, man. But trust me, guys, this one is delicious, very healthy. So that's my Flex Jamaican cuisine garden salad. Alright, that is it, you know what I mean? Very simple, very healthy, very tasty. Check, check, check. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna check the rice and peas, see how it's going. Just give it a little stir, you know what I mean? Loosen up it grains, and I'm just gonna turn down the burner, turn down the stove, and let it simmer down. Alright, yeah, man, that is it, guys.